Good day, my name is Nadia. Today I will present my SAP product costing process assignment completed using SAP Suites 4 HANA and the global bike case study. The purpose of this assignment was to understand how ERP systems support manufacturing, costing, and decision-making through an integrated system. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. An ERP system integrates different business functions such as finance, production, inventory management, procurement, and sales into a single system. Instead of departments working separately, ERP allows information to be shared in real time. This improves efficiency, reduces duplication of data, and supports better decision-making. SAP Suites 4 HANA is one of the most widely used ERP system and was used throughout this assignment. The case study used in this assignment is based on Global Bike. Global Bike is a bicycle manufacturing company used in SAP educational exercises. The company was formed through the merge of two bicycle manufacturers from Germany and the United States. Global Bike manufactures and distributes bicycles worldwide. In this assignment, I work with a new bicycle variant and perform product costing activities within SAP. The first step was creating a variant finished good. I searched for the existing bicycle material and used it as a template. Using existing master data helps ensure consistency and reduce data entry errors. This approach is commonly used in ERP systems when creating similar products. After copying the existing material, I created a new bicycle variant. The product description was updated to represent the new version of the bike. The finished good is the final product that will eventually be manufactured and sold. This new material became the basis of all subsequent costing activities. The second step involved creating a variant raw material. Raw material was component used to manufacture finished goods. In this assignment, a new bicycle frame material was created to support the new bike design. After copying the existing frame material, the description was changed to represent the new silver frame. This ensured that the new bicycle variant had its own unique material structure. Creating separate materials also allows SAP to track costs more accurately. The next step was extending the raw material. This process allows the material to be used across additional business functions within SAP. Without extending the material, it cannot be used correctly for costing and valuation. Additional plant-related information was maintained. Plant data determines where the material will be used and managed within the organization. This information is important because costing calculations are plant-specific. Accounting information was then maintained. Accounting views control how material values are recorded financially. This ensures that the material can participate in financial reporting and valuation processes. Costing information was also maintained. This information enables SAP to calculate production costs using the material. Without costing data, the product cost estimate cannot be generated correctly. After all required views were completed, the material was saved successfully. At this point, the raw material was fully prepared for product costing activities. Step 4 involved creating a bill of material. A BOM contains all components required to manufacture a finished product. SAP uses the BOM to determine material requirements and calculate material costs. I copied the existing bicycle BOM and modified it for the new bicycle variant. The new frame material was included as part of the product structure. This ensures the SAP used the correct components during costing calculation. Once all required components were confirmed, the BOM was saved. The BOM became the official product structure for the new bicycle. The next step was creating a routine. Routine defines the manufacturing process required to produce the bicycle. It specifies which operations must be performed and in what sequence. Routing includes work centers and production activities. This information allows SAP to estimate labor and manufacturing costs. After defining the operations, the routing was saved. The routing now represents the production process for the bicycle. Together, the BOM and routing provide the core information required for product costing. The BOM provides material cost, while routing provides production cost. After completing the master data setup, I created a cost estimate. Cost estimation calculates the expected cost of manufacturing the product. SAP combines information from the material master, BOM, and routing. The system calculates total cost automatically using this integrated data. The result cost estimate provides valuable information for pricing decision and profitability analysis. This is one of the key functions of product costing. After generating the cost estimate, the next step was marking the price update. Marking prepares the calculated cost for future release. At this stage, the new cost is stored but not yet active. This review stage allows organization to verify cost calculation before implementation. Once verified, the marked cost estimate is ready to proceed to the next stage. The next activity was reviewing price changes. SAP compares the current price against the newly calculated cost estimate. The comparison helps identify any significant differences before releasing the new price. Reviewing price changes is important for cost control and decision making. The next step involved releasing the new standard cost. Once released, the updated cost becomes active within SAP. The release value is used for future production, inventory valuation, and accounting transactions. The final step was verifying the updated price. I reviewed the material master record to ensure the new cost had been updated successfully. This final verification confirms that the entire product costing process was completed correctly. The challenge task was the most difficult part of the assignment. During the challenge, SAP could not identify the correct production structure. To solve this issue, I worked with production versions. I created and verified production version PV1. The production version links the bill of material and routing together. After verifying the BOM usage, alternative BOM, and routing assignment, SAP successfully recognized the production structure. This allowed the costing process to proceed correctly. The challenge helped me better understand how different production master data objects are connected within SAP. Through this assignment, I gained practical experience using SAP suites for HANA. I learned how BOMs, routing, production data, and costing information are integrated within an ERP system. I also improved my problem-solving skills by resolving issues during the challenge task. Most importantly, I gained a better understanding of how ERP systems support manufacturing operations and business decision-making. Thank you for listening. This presentation demonstrates the complete SAP product costing process from material creation to cost estimation and price updates. I appreciate your attention.